Fortnite is back on iPhone in the US after a 5-year battle with Apple. Stick around to find out what this means for you, how to get it, and why this is a game changer for mobile gaming. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to for the latest in tech and gaming. If you're as hyped as we are, smash that like button and subscribe to GadInsider for more gaming and tech updates. Let's dive in. After being banned from the App Store in 2020, Epic Games just announced Fortnite's triumphant return to iPhones and iPads in the US. This comes after a heated legal showdown with Apple, and now you can download Fortnite directly from the App Store again. No workarounds, no side loading, just pure unfiltered Fortnite action. Why does this matter? Fortnite on iOS means you can squad up on the go with cross-platform play, stunning graphics, and all the battle royale chaos you love. Whether you're dropping into tilted towers or building like a pro, it's the same Fortnite experience, now back on your iPhone. Plus, Epic's also rolling it out on their own Epic Games Store and Alt Store in Europe, so global players are winning too. Wanna jump in? It's super easy. Head to the App Store, search for Fortnite, and download it for free. Make sure your iPhone or iPad is updated to the latest iOS for the smoothest experience. Oh, and pro tip, check your storage. Those victory royales need some space. Fortnite's return is just the start. 2025 is shaping up to be massive for mobile gaming. What do you think about Fortnite coming back to iPhone? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let's get the conversation going. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss an update from GadInsider. For more details on Fortnite's relaunch and the latest gaming news, stay epic, and we'll see you in the next one. Subscribe for more tech and gaming news and check out these videos for the latest updates.